In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing a year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed and famine spread across Europe and North America. But amidst the chaos, Mary Shelley found inspiration. Stuck indoors during a gloomy summer in Switzerland, she penned Frankenstein, a tale born from darkness. How did a volcanic eruption lead to a literary masterpiece? Shelley's resilience and creativity turned adversity into art, reminding us that even in bleak times, we can create something beautiful. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.